Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Jasper AI for content creation, full guide step by step clearly. To begin using Jasper AI for content creation, first, visit the Jasper AI website. Create an account by signing up with your email address. Choose a subscription plan that suits your needs. Once your account is set up, log into the Jasper dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the user interface and available features. Select the type of content you want to create, such as blog posts, social media posts, or marketing copy. Click on the Templates tab to explore pre-designed templates. Choose a template that aligns with your content goals. Fill in the required fields with relevant information, such as your topic and keywords. Adjust the tone of voice settings to match your brand style. Click the Generate button to let Jasper AI create your content. Review the generated content for accuracy and relevance. Edit any sections that require adjustments or additional information. Utilize the rewrite feature if you want to enhance any paragraphs. If needed, use the expand tool to elaborate on specific ideas or sections. After final edits, copy the content to your clipboard or download it directly. Make sure to proofread the content before publishing. Finally, integrate the content into your blog or platform of choice. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.